Well, here we are in South Dakota. Trying to make it to Box Elder, but this is absolutely insane. You can see what kind of a speed I'm doing here, and I got the pedal to the floor with my key on. 2.4 miles per gallon. The winds are so fucking high right now that you can't get anywhere. It's been like this the last two trips. I'm just right to the floor, I'm fucking in a low gear, and I'm pushing right across the country, and all I'm hitting is this fucking head-on wind that is just brutal. You can see by the snow blowing across the highway, cars are whipping up the left-hand side of me, and I'm almost blowing over on top of it. It's gotta be 110, 120 mile an hour winds, easy. Cars are whipping right up beside me, but I'm almost blowing over right underneath where I would blow over. It's absolutely insane. This is the kind of shit I deal with for $1,700 a week. I used to make $1,700 every 2 weeks doing it. I go out of my house Friday, I get back the following Thursday, I'm just basically working crazy amounts of days, and this is the kind of shit I put up with for that kind of money. This is why nobody wants a new truck. I'm almost dying out here, getting blown over by this. As soon as this truck blows over, I'm fucking done. I'm just trying to get the shelter, and I can't even do that. It's a fucking nightmare. This job is a fucking nightmare for what it pays. Not only do I almost killing other people, I'm almost killing myself. And one of these cars I pull over and I land on it, it's going to blow up and take me with it. Stupidest fucking horse shit out here. People are just oblivious. Just oblivious. They're so naive and they don't understand what kind of weather they're in. What the true dangers are. I can get blowing sideways in this quite easily. You can see by the snow blowing across how friggin' tough it is. Look at the angle my steering wheel is on. That's how much I have to compensate this wind. And I'm just fighting it all the way, I can tell you. PLDs could have prevented this. Fucking nightmare.